I am not interested at the present moment for me to involve myself into the chaos which I don't know its origins and how it started. I am not interested. I need to be given time for me to reflect on what has been happening and what position I should take as a political leader in this nation. So in the short time, I shall announce where does Sikhala stand in all this. So be prepared that at any given day, I shall release my statement stating where I stand in all the things that is happening. But I need to be given the time for me to know and start and reflect on what has been happening, what has been transpiring. I am shocked at the present moment. I have received a lot of messages in my inbox of people who are telling me that so and so, please be careful of him. They are unreliable. They are used by ZANU-PF. They are there to destroy you if you are not going to be very careful. So, you know, as much I obtain a lot of unverified information at the present moment, I don't want to be put into confusion for me to make a rash decision, a proper decision, and the announcement shall come at a proper time, not in the distant future.
Just the last one, the message to Sikhala Solidarity Movement.
Those people have been wonderful. They have been the missing link in this political trajectory. The way how they have changed the political landscape of this country, the moment when they came on board, is still shocking and astonishing. You have to understand that I am an individual who was abandoned and neglected by anyone whom I thought will come to my assistance, only for them to emerge, to become the rescue package for me. So those people who have been unprecedented. The work which Robert Masarauri and his team performed and did in this country is unprecedented. It's revolutionary. It has never been witnessed. And I saw the commitment and determination of all the cadres who have been involved in the mobilization for solidarity.